In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create LinkedIn lead gen forms. LinkedIn lead gen forms are one of the most powerful ad options on the platform because they let people share their details without ever leaving LinkedIn. That convenience typically boosts conversion rates and keeps the experience smooth for your prospects. Let's walk through the setup together. First, open your web browser and head to LinkedIn's Campaign Manager. If you don't have an account there yet, create one. Otherwise, sign in with your LinkedIn or Google login. Once you're on the Campaign Manager dashboard, make sure the left-hand navigation is visible. If it's hidden, click the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the hamburger menu to expand it so you can quickly access the tools you'll need. From that navigation, find the section labeled Assets. This is your home for creative and data tools. Click Assets, then select Lead Generation Forms. This is where you'll build the form your audience will see when they engage with your ad. In the top right corner, click Create Form to begin. You'll move through a few sections. Start with the form details. Clearly describe your offer and what someone gets by submitting the form. Think about the value, like a downloadable guide, a webinar seat, or a consultation. A concise, benefit-driven description sets expectations and improves completion rates. Next, set up lead details and questions. Choose only the fields you truly need, such as name, email, or company. The fewer required questions, the lower the friction. If you need to qualify leads, add a small number of custom questions that help your sales team prioritize and keep the language simple so it's easy to answer quickly. Then create your confirmation. This is the message people see after submitting. Thank them, reiterate what they'll receive, and outline next steps. If you have a resource to share immediately, mention where they can access it so the momentum continues. If you use tracking, add hidden fields. These don't appear to the user, but they let you append data like source tags or campaign identifiers to every submission for cleaner reporting. When everything looks right, go to the bottom right corner and click Agree and Create. Your LinkedIn lead gen form is now finalized and ready for prospects to interact with through your ads. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.